Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be doing a strip foundation for this particular 3D model. Okay, the reason why I'm doing this video is because of one of my subscribers sent me an email saying he wants me to explain the way to go about doing strip foundation. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm actually doing this video. So here's what I'm just going to do. I'm going to come to the ground floor plan. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on create new story. And now I want to insert this story below. Okay, I want the ITS. The ITS is going to be 1000. All right, and now let's give it a story name. Let's just name it strip foundation. Okay, just something simple like this, and just click on OK. So as you can see, you have it being created here for us. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is just come to options, come to complex profile, click on profile manager, and I want you to click on the plus icon, click on new, and here I want you to give a name. States like this. Is going to be a strip foundation. Once you're done with this, just click on OK. The next thing I want you to do is just click this and untick this. Now I like everything we have here and delete it. The next thing I want you to do is just come to the document section, look for the fill tool, click it, drag it outside, and the dimension 1, I want the dimension 1 to be 675. Click on tab on your keyboard. I want this dimension here to be 150. Click enter twice, or just click it out once, depending on whatever it's going to give you. So the next thing we want to do right now is for us to add, this is the strip, we want to add the brick. So drag it outside like this. So we want, just take note of what I'm actually doing. We want the dimension 1 to be 225. All right, click on tab. I want the dimension 2 to be 850. Click enter. Alright, once you're done with this, click escape, click this and just move it upward. Click this, press Ctrl D, look for the middle point of this and take it to this point here. Now put the cursor here and look for the middle point of this, zoom in, press Ctrl D, click this and align it to this one, then press escape. Alright, you will notice that the height from this side to this side is 1000, which is what we gave us the strip foundation. Okay, that's the height for the strip foundation. You guys should take note of that. Once you're done with this, highlight everything you have here, press Ctrl D on your keyboard, click this node and then put it at this X. It's very important you do this, please. It's very important you do that. Press escape. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is let's click this. We're going to assign the property for this. Click the tile here, let's do for brick, then just click. All right, click this one, click this, and let's assign concrete for it also. Select this, then press escape on your keyboard, and you're going to be having the strip foundation being created like this. Okay, now the last thing you're going to be doing here is just click on save. Once you click on save, just cancel this. Now since we are on the strip foundation, that's the plan on the strip foundation, we want to see what is on the ground floor plan. So right click on the ground floor plan and click on show strip reference. Now you're gonna be having this. Now the next thing you want to do is just click on the beam tool, make sure this icon is being selected, click this. Your icon might be having something like this, so just select this and select the third icon, click on the custom and look for a strip foundation that you created. Click this, and now the next thing you just have to do is just click and then sketch out. So I'm not gonna be doing for the rest because of time. I want to do it to be as short as possible. So if you go to the 3D model, you should be having your strip being shown like this. As you can see, very simple and short. So you can decide to go to the approach view, select this, untick your suspend groups, press Ctrl D, click this and then move it upward, press escape, go to the 3D model. You should have your strip foundation being created like that, as you can see. Okay, so if you even do a cross section, let's go to the ground floor plan. So let me say I take a cross section from here. Okay, so let me just go to the sections here. I'm gonna be having that being shown like this. Okay, as you can see, this is it right here. Okay, So this is one of the ways to create your strip foundation. One of the easier ways to create your street foundation in Archicad. Alright, thanks for watching. If this video has been of help to you, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Thanks.